Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today is a really good pleasure for me to share with you a list of 7 apps that I've been using for over a decade. So they are very useful, very important. They do the job without crashing or annoying your phone. So all you have to do after this video is just install those apps that I'm going to give you right now, and you're gonna see that your life change in using your phone. Before the video gets started, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, activate the notification bell that you can receive all my video, share the video with your friends and family that they can also enjoy those 7 apps. So thank you for all of you that already subscribed to my channel. Thank you for visiting. I hope you enjoy this video. The first one is call recorder. Having a call recorder on your phone is something great, so it can be useful in so many ways. There are some Android phone or iPhone that have a call recorder built in, so you don't have to activate it or to install it from the Play Store. You just go to your phone and activate it automatically. For example, someone may call you and telling you a lot of stuff or bad things, or do something really bad, or you can have an important call that you should have keep on your phone. So it happens to all of us. So call recorder is a very good app, so it doesn't crash. It offers a lot of features that you can hide the call recorder, you can put a password on it, you can save your recording file on a cloud. So it's really important to have a call recorder on your phone that you can keep all your phone conversation. That is really good. So the second one is phone schedule. Phone schedule is a really amazing app. It helps you make a automatic call or send a schedule message or play a schedule sound or open a web browser automatically. You don't have to touch your phone, you just simply have to set the setting automatically. It can write someone, it can do a lot of stuff as you can see it on the screen. So phone schedule is a really good app, so you have definitely install it on your phone. You're gonna like it. So the third app is Me. It's really good, really important to have. For example, you might have actually lost your phone in a public place, at church, at school, and you cannot find it, or you might lost it in a park. So you just have to wrestle like this, and you're gonna hear your phone will ring in a very loud sound that you can hear everywhere you are. Just make sure you set up the notification correctly, that you can keep your phone very close to you. So it's really good. So the fourth app is TubeMate. TubeMate is a really good app. For example, you might watching a video on YouTube or on Facebook or everywhere on the internet, and you want to save this video to your phone and you don't know how. So TubeMate is the very good answer to your question or to your need. So if you want to download videos and music or anything on the internet, you have to download TubeMate, so you're gonna like it. So the videos are very clear, very good quality, so it makes the job really good. So you have to download TubeMate right now, that you can download video on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or on every other website on the internet. So the fifth one is PowerAmp. PowerAmp is a music player, so for all those music lovers, so if you like to listen music, so PowerAmp is very good for you. It offers really good quality music playing. It's really good. So the music are very clear. It offers a lot of options that I cannot say right now, all you have to do, guys, is download Power Hub and you're gonna enjoy it. So the sixth app is Battery 100% Harlem. Let me tell you, guys, it's not good to always charge your phone on 100%. It's not good for the battery. It's gonna drain it. So you need to charge your phone at least at 80%, 40%, or 50%. You can charge it at 100% a month, but it's really good to charge it only 80% because it's gonna last longer. So you have to download an app that called Battery 100% Alarm, so you can set it automatically to ring a alarm or an alarm when you, for example, when you're sleeping at night or in the morning. When your phone reach 100, when your phone reach 80%, your phone will ring. So the seventh app is Google Translator. Google Translator is really a good app. For example, I don't speak English very well, as you can see it. My English is not so good, and I always need some new English words. So for example, when I'm reading a sentence or phrase or a newsletter in English on the internet, so there are some words I don't understand and I have to find a way to translate them. So Google Translator is a very good app to translate your text. So you can translate anything with it, any language, maybe only Creole. It messed up with my language, like Creole, so it really messed up with it. So Google Translator is a very good app that you should have on your phone. You can translate a book, a text. You just have to take a picture. It offers voice. Okay, if you want to listen the translation of the words, you can find a voice that give you the pronunciation. So Google Translator, it's really good app to have on your phone. So here are the 7 app I've downloaded and I found it very useful, so I just share it with you guys. It's really important. If you have a question or if you have a suggestion, just let me know in the comment and I will be very happy. I'm sorry for my English, I'm not an English speaker. I just make some effort. I hope you understand. So thank you for watching this video, and once again, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Share the video with your friends and family that they can enjoy those applications that are very useful. Thank you. Bye bye.